Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. In today's video I have two microphones to compare. I have the UM910 by Uhuru and ST900 by Sudotack. So we'll see which microphone sounds better for you. So let's start with the video and let's see which microphone sounds better now. Okay, now you're listening to ST900 by Sudotack. The microphone is on 80% volume on my PC and this is raw audio. No edited audio, so this is raw audio. As you can hear now, this is the ST900 by Sudotack. So I'm going to press now the mute button. So as you can see, I'm back. This is the test for the mute button. Probably you can hear the clicking sound. I'm going to spin the microphone now, so at least you can have an idea how will the sound quality will sound. So as we move to the front, you can hear me very well, but when we move to the back, you don't hear me very well because this is the sound from the ST900, so you have to talk front of the microphone. This is the ST900 by Sudotack. Now you're listening to the Uhuru UM910. This is no edited audio, this is raw audio from my PC. The volume is on 80%, so you have idea how is the sound quality from Uhuru UM910. Now I'm going to spin the microphone so we can have a better idea. So as we move the microphone to the back, probably you don't hear me very well. But sooner we move the microphone closer, front, you can hear me very well because you have to talk front of the microphone. Okay, so this was the test of the Uhuru UM910 and ST900 by Sudotack. Let me know in the comments down below which microphone do you prefer. I believe both microphones are nice, the sound quality is clear, it's nice, it's a plug and play microphone, easy to use. So let me know in the comments down below which microphone do you prefer. This is Stefan, I'll see you in the next video.